Have you ever felt super insecure but incredibly beautiful all at the same time? Well, that's me right now. I was supposed to get my hair done. It fell through. I had to do it myself. And this is what I was able to come up with. Yes, we're going on a trip anyways. We have to make do. So let's style some outfits and let's pack with me for Mexico. I felt pretty and free and ugly all at the same time, and that's okay. So let's pick out some outfits that go with this hair, because we're not letting our hair hold us back from looking cute anymore, period. Okay, I won't lie. This is so cute. I feel like this looks so just free. It's giving like a boho baddie. Like, I'm really feeling it. I got these bangles. I feel like the little pop of blue just goes so cutesy with it. Like, what do we think? Oh my gosh, what a shot. I love. I don't know, y'all, I think this is cutesy. I got these cute sandals. They don't quite fit yet, so they're from Amazon. Let me get them out so I can show y'all, because I feel like that this is like really working with this. Hold on. Tell me this is not cute. I don't think you can. It's just cute, like roaming around Mexico. Cutesy. I did order a size up because the 8, they run small. I have to order up one size. I'm an 8, 8.5, usually an 8, but if they run a little small, then I'm an 8.5. These I need 8.5. They don't have 8.5, so I'm getting a 9. But this, it's cutesy. Like, does it go with this bag? Ugh. I don't know, y'all. I think it's cute. Like, this bag is not the best bag for it, but I do feel like it needs a boho vibe. Like, it needs to be a tote-see that I'm walking around with this. This is so cutesy. I'm feeling this. Ah! Okay, let's try it on another top though, because I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this top. I don't know if I'm feeling this. This might be a little too, I think I need a different skirt with this top. I like the top, but I think I just need a different skirt with it. I don't know, I have it in brown. Let's try it in brown. I just don't think this top is working with the skirt. Like, I just don't like it. Let me know in the comments which one do y'all think. I personally think the white strapless, it just gave it fun, free boho. And now I'm giving Mammy, Little House on the Prairie. I'm watching some kids. I'm not feeling this. I don't think the hat goes with the look, but the hat is cute, right? So cutesy. I don't know how I feel. I feel like the hat just does not go with the look. Like, the hat is a no. Is the hat cutesy though? The hat is cutesy, but the hat does not go with the look. I don't know what it is. I feel like this top is giving me just, I don't know if this is giving on the prairie. Look at these shoes. So, these ones, I feel like, okay girl, you on that prairie. Whereas these ones, I feel like, all right, okay, maybe. Like, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Like, it's not, to me, this isn't bad, but it's like I could do better. So let's do better. This is better. All right now. Little sandal, easy on the go. Got my tote, because the tote is the vibe for Mexico City. I'm sorry, I need everything in this bag. Throw it in there. Little bangle for little ush. I need a gold one, it's upstairs. You get the vibes though. Cutesy? What do we think? What do we think? Which one? Let me know down below which one's your favorite outfit that I style, y'all. But what do we think? What do we think? I'm feeling it. I'm not gonna lie. I think it looks really cute. It looks chic. Now I look real chic, like I try. It's giving black auntie in the best way possible. Black auntie. Come on, y'all. Let's go. You know when it's like, it's good, it's good. When it's good, it's good. I can't lie. This is good. Yes, I have worn this outfit already like 3 times. This is my 4th time. It's going with me to Mexico. Don't care. It works with every hairstyle. And this is cute. Like, tell me this isn't cute. It's just a vibe. Like, it's just so cutesy. Does the hat work? Let's see. I don't know. Low key, the hat does vibe with it. It does. Let's see. A little sandal. Y'all, this cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cutesy. I'm literally like in love. I don't know, I just think this is such a vibe. I feel so confident and so pretty. Sometimes you just gotta put the clothes on, y'all. Put them clothes on. Okay, let's try it on with the sunglasses, the shades. What am I giving? Cool girl. Cool girl, period. Cool girl. So cool. Love this for me. This is not a vibe. I think this is such a vibe. It's giving like safari, but like in the best way possible. It's giving a safari, but in Mexico, I think. Like when you know you're feeling yourself, like cute, y'all, cute. Cute. And I thought I wasn't gonna like this. Like, I'm just learning so much about myself. We have to do the tote because the vibe of Mexico City is the tote, y'all. So let me know, tote or yellow bag or both, because I can put the yellow bag in the tote. Let me know what you think. Let's put the hat on. I don't know, y'all. I just feel free. Like, that is the vibe. It's giving just free and cutesy. Like, this is really cute. This is really cute. All right. Okay, what do we think? You know, I got thick thighs, but cute little top, little jorts. Do you want to do a hat? No hat? Let me look in the mirror. It's cutesy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. The hat's not bad with it, but it's not giving it a vibe like how the cargo pants did. But I feel like it's not bad. Like, I feel like if it's really hot, then maybe. Let me change my glasses. I'm not gonna lie, I do like that. I like it. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I kind of like it. I don't know, I think it's a vibe. I really do. Sandals. Kind of a vibe. It's giving mom. It's giving like your free earth mama that's still hot and got it. It is giving mom a little bit, but I think mom in the best way possible. Just cute. I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling it. I don't know what it is. I just love my little hat. I just love it. It's cutesy, y'all. Just a yes. Yes. Like sometimes you just need a little something to just throw on. Like you never know where we might go in Puebla. You might need something to wear. So this might be cute for Puebla. I think so. Let me know. Hat, no hat. Glasses, or just regular face. Do we just get face? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all wanna know the easiest way to always look put together. It doesn't matter where you're going, daytime, nighttime, whatever. Two-piece set. Two-piece set. Two-piece set. So cutesy. So tea. This is from Local European, y'all. It is my absolute favorite. It's cute for in the daytime. It's cute for at nighttime. I will be wearing this in the nighttime because this is just a cute vibe. Like cute, y'all. Just cute, easy breezy. Back out for a little sexy. Pop of blue for color. I wish I had like a blue sandal. I feel like it would be so cute with this. I might look and see if that brand I got from Amazon, if they do it in like a blue, like a jelly blue. That'd be so cutesy because this little pop of color, they just need a gold bangle on this side, so I'll bring my gold one. But yeah, y'all, this cute. Like, this is a vibe. This is really cute. Different glasses, of course, but cute. Probably my gold ones just to bring out the gold in the look. But what a vibe. So easy. So easy, so cutesy, period. Okay, this next outfit is an outfit that I've been putting together in my head for like 2 months. I really wanted to wear this for Juneteenth, but I didn't have all the pieces in time because I had to send this back because I got it in the large, extra large, so I need the small, medium. So I have this outfit. It is so cute, y'all, but what it needs is a pop of color heel and a pop of color back. So let me show you what I got. Let me show you why it's not quite ready, but I still might bring it with me anyways because you never know what we might find in Mexico City. Whole look ASOS, y'all. Whole look is ASOS. Tell me this isn't cutesy. It's such a cute, oh my gosh. Tell me it's not cutesy. You can't tell me that. I have this blue bag right here. It's like, it's okay, but it's not bringing it out. The color I really think that would bring this look out is red. I think a nice red, a red lip, red bag, red shoe would eat with this open toe, like red shoe. Ooh, y'all, so cutesy. Let me show you. I have this yellow and I'm like, am I feeling it with a shoulder bag? Not really. I feel like I need to be free. It needs to be a bag like this. Like, so cute. Could I do that? I could. Do I like it? I don't love it. I don't. I need something. I need a cute shoe to go with it to really tie it in together. But I think the look, cute. Just so cute. So fun. So free. So whimsy. I'm just feeling it. So I don't have anything. It's like, do I want to buy something? But it's like, whatever I buy, it has to be intentional because I need to make sure that I'm gonna wear it with other things and not just with this one outfit. I'm so over that in my life, y'all. I'm so over that. So I just want to be really intentional with whatever piece I get. But honestly, I'm going shopping in Mexico City, so I might figure it out. But this is definitely something I'm gonna wear because it's just such a cute, fun outfit. Like, it's so me. So me. I love fringe, love the baggy pants, love a high neck, love an open back. Those are like themes in my wardrobe that you'll always see me wear because they just make me feel so fun, free, sexy, beautiful. Like, I just love it, y'all. The yellow is not enough. I need like a pop of red. Like, I think red will really eat this up. Red and a cute heel to go with it. Honestly, an open toe thong heel, I think would tear this up. I do. With a red bag. Not this. This isn't doing it. Like, I need the bag to be like a fun shape, like something fun. But this is one of them, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. So cute. I literally love this look. Ugh, so cutesy. All right, so this is another outfit that I'm also putting together that's like kind of incomplete because I kind of need like a few little touches, but let me show you because it's cute. This top is from H&M. It is so cutesy, y'all. With these shorts, I can't remember where I got them from, but it's like an Instagram boutique. So I don't know what this is. This is just eating for me. Let me show you it with a heel. Let me show you with a heel. I really want to do a pop of color, but it looks really cute with brown, and I do have brown right now. So let me show you that. All right, these are the bangles. Cutesy. That might just be my pop of color. These are the earrings. Let me put them on. Earrings on. I don't know how I feel. I don't know if it's giving a little granny. Work with me. Work with me. You might have to change them out. Work with me. Zara heels. Cutesy. Coach bag. Let's see what we're working with. What do we think? I don't know. I feel like the hair might be a little too granny for it. Let me look at it. It's cute. Maybe I need to put it to the side. I feel like look at it with the side part. I don't know. What are we thinking? I don't know. Let me know. I don't know, y'all, but this is the fit, no hair. The fit, no hair is cute. I think a pop of color would be fun, a little more than just a bangle. But I don't know. I think this is cute though. Like, to me, this is cute. I think this is so cutesy. Like, she's cute. She's a cute girl. Her. But I just think a blue heel, like, I'll insert right here the heel that I'm talking about. The heel that I'm talking about is so cute, and I feel like it'll be so fun with this outfit. I just think it'll just bring it together much better than this. But this so far, I don't know. I think it's fun. I just wish, this is where I'm just like, I don't know if I love my hair with this look. Like, everything else I was like, yeah. This is like, this needs something else just to bring it out because it's already really basic, and I'm not loving the earrings with it either. The earrings aren't working for me. I think a hoop or maybe like a gold. I have these cute gold circular ones upstairs, so maybe those. But this, I'm not feeling this video, y'all. I'm not feeling this. Let me know what y'all think though. Okay, so post picking out my outfits with me thoughts. How do I feel still? Do I still feel ugly? I actually don't. I feel really confident and I feel really cute. So now I'm kind of excited and I can't wait to see how I'm gonna feel on vacation because I'm not there yet. But just trying on clothes and seeing that I still look beautiful and I still feel like me and I still look put together, even though my hair isn't done the way I would have liked. T, y'all. T. And I'm really happy. I didn't know that I was going to enjoy my hair like this when I put my outfits on. I didn't know that I was still gonna look really cute. So a win is a win. All right, and that's gonna wrap up my pack with me. This was such a good video to film. Please let me know down in the comments, what are things that you like to wear on vacation? Do you like to be cozy? Do you like to be comfortable? Do you like to show out? Do you only wear resort wear even if you're not on a resort? I need to know, what are you ladies doing when you guys are on vacation? Because for me, I like a good mix. I like a good mix of like resort wear with the French top that I had on, and I also like a good just casual, I'm here in Philly. I just think it's so fun and so cutesy. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.